Good morning. The weather is really nice today. My husband is making me a cup of green tea from scratch to start my morning. And in returns, I made a scallion pancake for him. It's pan fried with soy sauce. Bon appetit! I'm enjoying my cup of green tea, and I like to just be on the couch thinking about the day, thinking about what I'm going to do, and reflecting on my life a little bit. This is my view when I'm drinking my tea. This is the snack for the go as we're heading to H-Mart to do some grocery shopping. This is the bag of the day that I'm using, and I also wear my new shoes, which I got from MS. I love the color, and I bought a pair of flip-flops just in case my new shoes are giving me problems.
Shiatsu? Yeah. For the car?
Yeah, it's like vibrating my bag. It's like sending it right up the seat. It's totally unexpected.
Can you still see the dust?
I can see it.
Dusty?
Yeah.
From the rough pavement?
You know, they say.
We go to H-Mart, we just stopping at Ikea for quick to grab some snacks and food. My favorite cookie from Ikea, and they also have other great snacks that you can shop for. We love the nipples, and they have a very cute display window. My husband is wearing the sneakers that I bought him. I like the color combos.
Sorry.
When we're in H-Mart, for those of you who don't know H-Mart or you haven't shopped in H-Mart, it's a great store for getting Asian grocery stuff, especially kimchi and other seasoning stuff. It's one of my favorites, durian. It smells stinky to most people.
Tell me which ones in particular you really want. 'Cause I know you really like certain ones.
Those ones.
There's like one left.
All of it.
God. Crab? Lindy? These are abalone.
Leah, no. No.
Okay, we get the corn dog person.
I always have a hard time deciding what I would get if I'm given too many options.
And fish cake. Yeah. They both say that. Oh, that's mozzarella cheddar. And
This one's good, I think.
okay.
That's it.
A great corner with all the spot plants that you can check out and bring to go. Done with H-Mart, now heading back. And this is a snack for the way back. The grocery shopping, I just went ahead to the dock to get some fresh air, and everything is just so enjoyable. I hope this view will bring you some relaxation for your day. Just look at the water and empty your mind and relax. Morning, my husband made me some great eggs. I like sunny side up and a toast with some jam. This is some homegrown tomatoes that I got from my coworker. They are so cute and they look really delicious. It's gonna be a busy day, but I'm excited because I'm here in Brooklyn and I'm taking the train out to Manhattan to meet up with my girlfriends. I'm super excited because I haven't seen them for a couple months.
You're vaccinated. Mask up and stay safe, New York.
This is one of the things I miss about the city after I move out. The great thing about the city is that the art is everywhere. It's supposed to rain according to the weather forecast, but I'm glad that it turned out to be a nice day. I'm grateful for that. But it still looks the same. Certain things, they're still kind of disappointing about it. Now I'm crossing the bridge, heading to Manhattan from Brooklyn. I'm running really late. My friends have been waiting for me for a while. And this is the food that I took a picture of, and the arrow shows my seat. This is me after I arrive. I took my chance to eat while my friends are busy talking since I got here late, so now I'm trying to eat as fast as I could. And of course we gotta have some good pictures when we hang out. Now we are eating Jours, the bakery across from the restaurant that we just ate. They have great dessert and a lot of yummy pastries. I love the pastry. If I could, I would buy everything. I'm done picking out what I want, and now I'm waiting to check out. We love to talk and catch up with each other. We just have so much to talk about every time we meet up. Now we're heading to Pastries, a cafe, to get some refreshment. The interior is very trendy looking, so that's why a lot of young people really like to stop here and get a cup of tea or get dessert and chit chat. Topic is about how couples manage their finance, whether they have a joint account, how do they split the bills, and so on. And it's just interesting how each one of us has such different opinions or views on the topic itself. And oh yes, I got a lavender milk tea, I think. It's very good. And apparently I got very thirsty after the hot conversation. So we're heading home. It was fun today. Taking the train back to Brooklyn from Manhattan really reminds me of the old days when I was still working in Manhattan, and I really miss those days because, to be honest, I don't really like driving, but since now I live in a more suburban area, so I will have to drive every day to everywhere myself, but I do miss the days of taking the train. And of course I miss the view on my way home in the old days, the skyscrapers in Manhattan. And let me get closer to give you a closer shot of the skyscrapers. I just want to show you what I got from Tous Jours. I love red beans, so I got 2 different types of red bean bun, and that is some marmot bread, I believe. The prices are not cheap, but they are very good pastry, I guarantee. And bon appetit to myself. I hope you enjoyed this video and get to see what the city looks like if you're not from the US. And until then, see you next time. Bye bye. Have a great day.